Hi, everybody. It's time for our final review before you take your vocab test today. Remember, you have 2 final Spelling City activities to finish before you should take your test. So I hope that you're watching this video first, then going to Spelling City to finish those 2 activities, and then taking your test on Spelling City. So let's go over your words one more time. If you want, grab a piece of paper and you can pause this video when I get to a new word and you can write down the word and definition if you would like to. First word is the word plot, and it's the main storyline or the pattern of events. So maybe you can remember the P for plot, pattern, P in pattern. So plot is the pattern of events. Maybe that's something you can keep in your head to help you remember that plot is the main storyline or the pattern of events. Your next word is the word compare. And remember, when we compare something, it means we find similarities or differences. So I think yesterday I might have used the example of comparing an apple and an orange, or you could compare a banana to broccoli. And you wouldn't be able to find many similarities, but you'd be able to find a lot of differences if you compared a banana and a head of broccoli. So remember, if you're comparing something, think of having 2 things and seeing how they're similar or different. Now, the word contrast is the opposite of compare. So if they contrast something, 2 things largely differ. So that means they're really different. Your next word, hopefully you guys are getting good at these last 2. A first-hand account comes from the original source. So a first-hand account comes from someone who experienced a topic or an event. Think of the Ruby Bridges stories from this week. Ruby Bridges wrote the story through my eyes, and I read you guys a couple little pieces from that story. That's a first-hand account because it comes from the original source, who is Ruby Bridges. And lastly, your next word is the word second-hand account, and this is different than first-hand account. So a second-hand account is written by someone with knowledge about an event or a topic, but they didn't experience it. So the first story that I read to you about Ruby Bridges, it was called Ruby's Story. That was just about her life, and it was written by someone that wasn't there to experience it, but they had to do some research in order to have knowledge about it, to write about it. So these are your 5 words for the week. I hope that you're feeling pretty good for your test. And like I said, remember, you can go through this video and you can take notes on these words and you can write down the words and definitions to help you out on your test. So after this video, you're going to log on Spelling City and complete those last 2 activities unless you completed them all early. And then you're going to take your week 17 vocab test. Good luck, guys.